Hi everyone and welcome to the Blend Your Classroom CPD course. This video is just intended to provide you with an overview of navigating the CPD course. So once you have logged into It's Learning, if you go to your Courses menu, you will see Blend Your Classroom listed. It's probably going to be near the top of your courses since I just made some updates to the course. When you land on the course, you are going to see on the right side of the page plans for the course, and you will see session 1 materials. Session 1 materials are due by 11:59 p.m. on September 23rd, so you'll see that ending date there. You have a couple options for navigating your session 1 materials, so I'm going to go through those with you. If you select Start, you'll be brought to each piece of this lesson plan. So it starts with the Enduring Understanding for session 1. And when I click my right arrow, that's going to take me to my essential questions for session 1. And then when I click the arrow again, it's going to take me to the next piece of that plan, which is kind of the meat of this session, which is the explorations. So in session 1, you'll see that there's a task, and then I would like you to introduce yourself on a Padlet so that we can see you. Since this is an online course, I think it's important to build some community. After you introduce yourself, there's going to be several explorations that will help give you an overview of how It's Learning serves a role in our district. So you will read through those explorations. There will be some items for you to do. For example, there's a micro garden here for you to respond to after that exploration. There are some videos for you to watch, some interactives, and then you'll go into your course and take a look at your course to take what you have learned and synthesize it for your course. There's also the Course Merge tool, which is pretty exclusive to high school teachers only. And then you're going to have a reflection for session 1. So there are some goals that I would like you to set for yourself, and you will share those goals in the discussion board. You can get to the discussion board by clicking here, or I can click my next arrow and it will take me to the same place. Your integration for this week is actually not due until the end of session 2, so you have 2 weeks to complete your integration. And that is where you're going to create an artifact to introduce the It's Learning platform to your students. And again, that's not due until session 2. So when I click my right arrow, once I've gone through this page, I'm brought to the session 1 reflection discussion board where I'll be posting my reflection for session 1. The other way you can navigate through items in the course is you'll see underneath that Start button, I have all the components for this session 1 lesson plan. So you might choose to navigate through that way. Alternatively, you can also go into resources. And when you go into resources, you'll see that there's a folder for session 1 and materials are there as well. So it's really what works best for you and your workflow. You'll notice that I also have materials posted for session 2. I'm doing that as a courtesy to you because I know that everybody is very busy and I know that sometimes computer access can be hard to come by. So I will be posting sessions 2 weeks ahead of time. So session 2 doesn't officially start until the 24th of September, but it's posted now so that you can look ahead and see what's coming. And if you choose to work ahead, you can work ahead. And then next week when session 1 ends, I will post session 3. So you'll always have your sessions a week ahead. On the left side of our page, you're going to notice course resources. So I've linked some frequently used documents here. I have the assignment due date checklist that I've emailed you, directions for setting up a district Padlet account because we'll be using Padlet quite often in this course. I'll be linking this video once I'm finished recording it, and some directions for posting to a discussion board. So always know that some of those frequent documents are going to live on this start page. The other area I want to bring to your attention is how to check your grades in the course. So if you click on Follow Up in Reports in the right white ribbon menu, you will see the grade book, and the grade book will take you to your grades for the course. Right now, you're going to see that a lot of the reflection discussion boards are listed here. And as more weeks worth of assignments become active in the course, you will see those fill in as well. So I definitely recommend you check the gradebook often. I try to grade several times throughout the week. So make sure that you're checking often and checking on your progress. I'm looking forward to working with you for the next 10 weeks. It's going to be a wonderful journey.